Hello, thank you all for having me. My name is Laura, and I was wanting to give you a brief introduction of myself. I'm sure that all of you have been in a classroom at some point or another where you've had to introduce yourself. Usually it's in a blackboard discussion or it's some random facts about yourself in a classroom. So I found it a little bit difficult to be able to take 3 items to describe myself to the classroom. What I have done is taken 3 items that represent my past, my present, and my future. The first item I'm going to start with is actually the bag that I'm carrying. The bag is significant to me because it is a bag that I got on my honeymoon. Me and my husband have been married for 6 years now, and it's something that I've kept all this time and will probably keep. The item that I chose from my past is actually not in the bag because it won't fit. It is this the wooden rocking horse right here. I chose this item because my grandfather made it for me and my sister when we were really young. He has since passed away, and it's one of the things that I have to remember him by. It reminds me of him, and it reminds me of my good childhood that I had. The second item that I chose is for my present, and I chose a blood pressure cuff. The reason I chose a blood pressure cuff is because I'm a registered nurse. I've been a registered nurse for about 6 years now, and this class is one of my requirements for finishing my BSN, and this is something that I use on an everyday basis, so it's something familiar with me and represents who I am today. The final item that I have is a picture, and this is a picture of my 2-year-old Abigail. The reason I chose this as future is because everything that I do and everything that I work for is towards her future and what's important to her. And I wouldn't be taking this class and I wouldn't be doing the things that I'm doing if it weren't for her. And everything that I do is based on her now. So she is my future. And those are my items to help describe me. I want to thank you all for coming out to listen.